Happy Fry. Yay! I am here with you today to talk about some math. Now, we are starting a new chapter in math, and what we're going to be doing today and for this whole chapter is addition, which I know we've done before, and I know you guys are rock stars at it, but I want to review a little bit of what we're going to be doing before I tell you what the new thing that we're doing is. So, let's start with something easy. I'm going to write a math sentence. Here's my sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now, another mathematician word for a math sentence would be an equation. The equation is 7 plus 3 equals 10. In this equation, I have two parts. I have the sum, or the answer, which is 10, right? The sum is 10. And this part are my addends, because it's an addition sentence. These are my addends. So I have two addends. 7 is one addend, and 3 is another. And together, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now that equal sign, we know, means that they are the same. 7 and 3 become 10, right? Easy peasy. Now, why I did that as an example is because in our math, what we're going to be doing is adding numbers to make our sum more than 10, all the way up to 20. So our sums in everything that we do is going to be greater than 10. That might be a little tricky, but I know something that you can do, that you are great at. What we're going to do is take our addends and decompose them and create 10 and then add the extra ones left over. Because when I have 10 and I just have to add on my extra ones, all I'm changing is the ones place and it becomes easy peasy. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start with something very easy. My addend, first addend is 10. My second addend is 2. I bet you guys are already shouting out the answer for this, are you? 10 plus 2 is, you got it, 12. But let me show you what I'm going to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And my extra 2 are my ones over here. Well, I can very easily see that 10 plus 2 gives me the sum of 12. So everything I have right here is 12, right? I'm not taking any of these counters away. I'm not adding any more. But watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the addends, but I'm not going to change the sum. I'm going to take 1 away from my 10 and bring it over here. Well, this is easy to see, right? I can already tell that that is 3. And I didn't take it away or I didn't add any, so I know my sum is still the same. And by looking at my 10 frame, I know that 1 and 9 makes 10. So this new number sentence, this new equation is 9 plus 3 equals 12, right? Let's see if I can do it again. Over here, it is 4. And over here, I have 8. Can I keep going? 8 plus 4 equals 12. If I keep going, now I have 7 plus 5 equals 12. I can keep going. Now I have 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now, what I'm trying to show you is that all of these, this number sentence, this number sentence, this number sentence, this number sentence, can all be brought back to 10 plus 2, which might be a little bit easier for us to do in our heads, right? And let me show you how. Let's choose 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 was in this family of numbers. 8 plus 4. They are my add-ends. So let me make 8. There's 8. And there's 4. I'm going to pretend like I don't know the sum, even though we just did it. 8 plus 4 equals, I don't know the sum. But by looking at 8 in my 10 frame here, I know I can borrow 2 to fill it. So 8's going to stay the same. But I'm decomposing this 4 into 2 and 2. Because I know 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 10 plus 2 more equals 12. All right, guys, how we doing? Woo woo! In the middle or wah wah? I bet a lot of you feel woo woo about this. But let's do a few more for practice. Bring these guys down. I'm going to start with 8 again, since we just did it. But this one I'm going to make pretty hard. 8 plus 7. Whew, that's a big one. Okay, I have my 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to leave my 8. I'm just going to drop it down so I don't forget about it. Plus, and I'm going to decompose the number 7. I'm going to decompose it into 2 numbers, right? And one of them is going to be what I need to make 10. What do I need to make 10? 2. That's right. Well, I can decompose 7 into 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know that 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 equals 15. The sum of 8 plus 7 is 15. Wow, wow, wow. Do you see what I did by decomposing 7 and creating the number 10? Adding 5 was easy peasy. Let's try one more. What do I want to do this time? Bring these down. All right, I want to show you guys something. So this time my equation is going to be 5 plus 8. Now, just by chance, the way I've been doing this is I've been decomposing the second number each time. But does that have to be that way? No, it does not. You can decompose the first number too. So let me start fresh. Of course you can decompose. It doesn't matter which one you decompose. You get to choose, right? It's you creating the number 10. Now your book, when you work in your book, they might try and lead you and tell you which ones you should do. But just for practice, right? When you're doing your own math sentences, when you're doing your own equations, you can choose whichever one you want. It does not matter. So let's do this one together. 5 plus 8. Yikes, guys. That's a big one. I do not know the sum of that off the top of my head. But I know that 8 is an almost full 10 frame. So I'm going to stay with 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm dropping down my 8. He's staying there. And my 5s are over here on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know I need to decompose 5 into something and 2. Because 2 plus 8 is going to give me 10. Well, I can decompose 5 into 2 plus 1, 2, 3. Well, now this looks easy. 5 plus 8 is 10, 11, 12, 13 is my sum. Woo woo! I hope you guys feel good about this because it's easy peasy. It's just a little bit of extra writing to help us understand, which is going to help us when we do some really big numbers. Okay? All right, let's do the one in our book together. If you didn't take out your math book yet, give Miss Egan a pause and go grab it. Okay, in your book, you're going to open up to page 289, and there's a problem there about a boy named Kai. You ready? If you, I know I gave you guys tens frames and some red and yellow counters too. There's pictures in your book, but it's always better to have the real thing, right? Miss Egan loves counting and using things that I can hold on to. It makes it that much easier for my brain. Okay, so Kai has 9 flowers. We know we're starting with 9. Then he picks 6 more. How many flowers does he have in all? Okay, well, I'm going to start with 9 because I know that that's an almost full 10 frame, right? Here's my 9, and here's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm bringing my 9 down. He's staying the same. Let's decompose 6 into 2 different numbers, right? I'm going to decompose 6 into 1 and 5. Because I know right off the top of my head that 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 more equals 15. The sum is 15. Kai has 15 flowers in all. Woo woo! I bet you guys did great and that you rocked it. How about I do one more with you guys? Because I miss you so much and I want to keep doing math with you. Okay, take my yellow counters down. Take my red. Okay, last one, and then I know you guys are going to rock it all by yourselves. All right, in our book, number 1, right, they have it modeled for us, is 7 plus 6. Now, just like I talked about, see those lines in your book? They're asking you to break apart or decompose that number 6. But you know, it doesn't matter which one you decompose. Your book is going to help you and model you because we're just starting doing this. But you know in your brain, it doesn't really matter. But that's what these clues are, okay? That's what the book is telling us to do. They're not trying to make you confused at all, okay, right? So we're starting with 7, 2, 3, whoop, Miss Egan, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 6 over here. 2, 4, 6. Oh, Miss Egan, I'm dropping things left and right, guys. Okay, so my 7 is staying the same. I'm decomposing that 6 into 2 numbers. The first number I'm going to decompose it into is, that's right, I'm going to fill my 10 frame. It's going to be a 3. And the other number I'm left with is also 3. So my 7 plus 3 is going to become a full 10 frame, which is what, guys? It is 10. So 10 plus 3 more. You guys know this easy peasy. 10 plus 3 is 13. The sum is 13. This may seem like a lot of extra work, but it's really helpful and super, super useful. We know all about making 10s and using our 1s to do that. So once we already have a 10, it's easy to add those extra ones, okay? So do your best. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a little more than 15 questions that I think you can do all by yourself, okay? Let me know. Show me some pictures on Seesaw, and I can't wait to talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have fun, mathematicians.